Also, guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Pretty Isha, and I'm back with another video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit that post notification bell to be notified for new and upcoming videos. As you can tell by this title, y'all, I'm packing my baby's book bag for school. And yeah, y'all watch me pack this book bag, period. Getting my baby ready for school. But she could take on 2nd grade, period. So yeah, the first thing we're gonna do is take off the tag. Then we're gonna take off the other tag. And by the way, guys, I paid $20 for this. I paid $20. And already the book bag come with the backpack, it come with a notebook, 2 sticker sheets, 1 notepad, 3 sticky notepads, 3 paper clips, 3 mini gel pens, 4 erasers, and 3 binder clips, period. And then this is what it come with. So yeah. And let me show y'all. See, y'all see it in the book bag. But let me take it out for y'all so y'all can see. And we got this book bag from Walmart, by the way. Video is not sponsored. But yeah, this is everything that it come with. Pretty. So y'all, let's pack her book bag. So the first thing we're gonna put in her book bag is a sharpener with her pencil box. So let's open the sharpener. So we're gonna put her pretty blue sharpener into the book bag. Then we're gonna put some erasers. We're gonna put pink, green, orange, yellow, and blue. So she have 5 colors, which is pink, green, orange, yellow, and blue for her cap erasers. And then she have this erasers as well. But we have some in here because we went to a little back to school drive. So let's see. Oh, she also have a sharpener in here, guys. And she got some scissors. So got some, putting some pink scissors in the lunchbox. Put her 2 glue. Y'all know sometimes these glues be dried out. You gotta make sure, baby. Gotta make sure. Make sure to check y'all glue when y'all get them, because sometimes they be dried out. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put 3 in a thing, just cause. Let me take this one out. So y'all, I'm gonna take this one out because she have a lot of erasers, and we're gonna put this one in here first. Let me take this one out. We put the erasers in there. We put the glue already. So next, we gotta put the pencils, and she has 6 pencils already sharpened. So we're going to drop that in her box. With her scissors, her sharpener. And then we're going to send her to school with a green ruler. So this is her pencil box. Then we're going to put the color pencils with the crayons, with the pretty ruler. Hold on, y'all. Let me close this real quick. Pretty good scissors. I like the scissors. So yeah, let's put her box in her bag. Oh, y'all, we forgot about her eraser. We forgot about the eraser. So let's put this in there. Next, we got 3 folders that we're gonna put inside her book bag. Y'all look at the interior of the book bag. So pretty. So freaking pretty. And then y'all can put her name at the top. Period. Okay, the $20 is worth it. And then we're gonna put her 3 composition notebooks in her book bag. She got pencils, so we put the pencils. We put her ruler, and we put everything else in the book bag. And let me show y'all her lunchbox. Let me show y'all how she matched her lunchbox. Y'all, let me show y'all. Oh yeah, don't forget she got this too. But I'm not putting this in her book bag yet. Y'all look at the lunchbox that she picked out. And this lunchbox was I don't remember, but we're gonna take the tags off. Y'all look, pretty lunchbox. It keep whatever. If I put a cold drink in here, it's gonna stay cold. If I put a hot drink in here, it's gonna stay hot. And yeah, y'all look. This lunchbox is the let's see what it is. This is a leak-proof lining lunchbox. And yeah. But y'all, just look how aesthetic that it go with the bag, y'all. What she picked. Let me close up her bag. Y'all look at this. Pretty. It match up her bag. Rainbows. With a big pretty rainbow. This is so cute. But y'all, that was it for the video. Stay tuned for the get ready with us for the first day of school. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell to be notified for new and upcoming videos. And please, 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 don't forget to give a thumbs up. Give a thumbs up. Like this video. And please, 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 don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Period. Y'all, we is on the road to success. Period. So yeah, like I said, stay tuned for a new video. And we will see you in the next video. Bye. Love you guys. Pray before you lay. Pray all through the day. And guess what? Keep your faith in God, because He's the only one that will get you through your day. He's the only one that makes things possible. Because without faith, ain't nothing possible. But yeah. Bye.